Let's see some new enhancements in Structure Designer that will let us document our work better. It's time to create a drawing, and ideally I would like to see the parts list summing parts that are geometrically identical. There's a new command that allows you to do that, called Consolidate Structure. This command finds geometrically identical parts and groups them together. If we expand our node, we can see how we have a consolidated list of a single cross member, 4 identical members at the top, 4 identical legs, and 4 identical feet. Should we make a change by editing our underlying frame? The consolidated list will be updated. An out-of-date indicator lets you know that you need to update your design. Now notice that we have 2 identical members at the top, followed by 2 identical members that were once 4, but because they've changed, now everything is updated. Time to create a drawing. Let's create a drawing just of the consolidated list. So we'll open up that model in a new window and launch draft. Let's place a trimetric view properly scaled. Last but not least, let's add our parts list. Notice the parts list quantifies everything, tells you the quantity, the cut list, and it even has an option for showing what the angle is for those complex butt joints that we showed earlier. Even the angle for the miter is included in the table. What's nice about this consolidate command is you can do this whenever you're ready. That way you can design very, very freely and only consolidate things near the very end of your design when you're ready for a drawing.